Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Sidra Bank application on your smartphone. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your Play Store, so go ahead and open it up. And then in the search box, just type in Sidra Bank and then start the search. Now you can tap on the install button and the installation will begin. Wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then you can tap on the open button to open up the application. And now this will open up the Sidra Bank application. Now in order to log into your account, just tap on sign in with KYC port. And from there you can use your credentials to log into your Sidra Bank account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Sidra Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.